All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Days after Maldives decided to ban Israelis from the Indian Ocean archipelago following public anger in the predominantly Muslim nation over the Gaza war, the Mohammad Muizzu government has paused the plan as it realized that the new law could impact as many as 2 million Arab Muslims residing in the Jewish state, according to a report. The President's office said on 2 June that the cabinet has decided to change laws to prevent Israeli passport holders from entering the country and to establish a subcommittee to oversee the process. It said President Muizzu will appoint a special envoy to assess the Palestinian needs and to launch a fundraising campaign. In response, Israel's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Oren Marmerstein said that Israel has recommended its citizens to avoid any travel to the Maldives, including those with foreign passports, and those currently there to consider leaving. However, after 2 weeks, the Maldives realized that Israel isn't just about Jews. According to the Jewish Chronicle, Maldives Attorney General Nehmad Ushm, who referred to Arab Israelis as Palestinians, was concerned about the new law affecting them. The Jewish Chronicle quoted him as saying, "The biggest concern is that there are many Palestinians with Israeli passports, millions of them. What happens when we impose the blanket ban on them?" Nehmad Ushm, however, stressed that while the government's stand on barring Israelis remained unchanged, it was only reconsidering the impact of a blanket law on Israeli passport holders who are Arab Muslim or Palestinians. The Al-Jamaina quoted Ushm as saying, signaling a further review, "These are matters that need careful consideration." Meanwhile, many Maldivian lawmakers have criticized the government's plan to impose blanket ban on Israelis. The Jewish Chronicle quoted lawmaker Qasim Ibrahim as saying, "When we decide that a person with Israeli nationality can't come to the Maldives, that means we are talking about deciding that Jews can't come. Therefore, as they are people who have believed in prophets of a religion revealed by Allah, we need to think very deeply about the chance of us doing such a thing. From that perspective, we need to think about that very carefully." The Maldives decision came after pressure from opposition parties and government allies in the 100% Sunni Muslim nation to ban Israelis as a result of the Israel-Hamas war. Around 528 Israeli nationals visited the Maldives from January to April this year. This was down from 4,644 in the same period in 2023, according to Maldives government data. The Maldives had lifted a previous ban on Israeli tourists in the early 1990s and moved to restore relations in 2010. However, normalization attempts were scuttled following the toppling of President Mohammad Nasheed in February 2012. Opposition parties and government allies in the Maldives have been putting pressure on Muizzu to ban Israelis as a sign of protest against the Gaza war. Official data showed the number of Israelis visiting the Maldives dropped to 528 in the first 4 months of this year, down 88% compared to the corresponding period last year. In response to the ban, an Israel Ministry of Foreign Affairs spokesman urged citizens to avoid travel to the Maldives. The spokesman added, "For Israeli citizens staying in the country, it is recommended to consider leaving, since if they fall into distress for any reason, it will be difficult for us to help." In a post on X in March, the State of Israel said, "We are good," in response to a post about these countries' entry bans, which had been in place prior to the onset of the ongoing war in Gaza. The Gaza war was sparked by Hamas' unprecedented 7th October attack on Israel. Nearly 11,000 Israelis visited the archipelago last year, accounting for 0.6% of total tourist arrivals.